Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So you're gonna see here guys what happened is in crude oil guys, what we have discussed exactly. I have told you that if it will take support, exactly it has been taken support, and also it's making a trend line. So I have made in like this. After that we have reached our first target, second target. I have booked my second target only, my 70% profit. I have told you also 70% profit, you have to book your 70% in second target only. After that it came once again, and this is the trend line. After once again it's going upside. What happened, somewhere here only I have once again buyed my quantity, and I have kept my SL at this position, and very small quantity I have taken because here I have risked so much bigger. So that's why I have taken small bigger risk. So I have not taken a bigger position here, but we have got our first target reached, second, third. Okay, third target reached. After that here only double top is making. After somewhere here only it's coming down. So what happened, up till here only it's going upside. What I have done is that I have kept my SL at this position only. My SL has been triggered. After that I am exited. You can see that how much accurate is our analysis. You can check out also guys, go and check out also. I have not done any editing or forging guys, you can check out there too. Here also I have told you guys, always in market, what happened, if gap is created then it has to fill. What happened, it's coming downside, came downside. I have told you this will act as one of the major supporting areas. Why I have told you, because here you can see that buyers are so much dominant. You can see here buyer, how much dominance has been, buyer has been here. So you can see here, this is the buyer dominance. That's why I have told you up till here only you have to close your position, or you have to see price action is making. So you can see that after that it came with the here only somewhere I have buyed my call. Okay guys, because I know that the long position is better, because it has been a very huge profit here. So what happened is that continuously consolidation happened. After that it has been broken. I have so much confidence, it came downside, taken. After that once again I have making a position, because I have got some of the money I have left it. So here trend line is making exactly here only. You can see here exactly here only taking support and goes upside. You can see that our accuracy, you can watch out. Exactly I have told you up till here only, and there only it came and taken exactly resistance. You can watch it out. Okay guys, exactly up till here only you can see here guys. Okay guys, exactly after that only it has been reversing. I have booked my whole profit at this green candle up till here only, because I don't wanted to take any risk. So you can see that how we have got very huge profit in natural gas also guys. Hope you also traded and got a very huge profit in that too guys. Okay guys, in gold guys, in gold what happened guys, right now gold is in a consolidation only, not making a very huge or big momentum. Here only consolidation happened. After that what happened, it's broken its high. What I have done is that I have taken my long position and kept at this green candle as a low, and you can see that our first target reached, second target. After somewhere here only it's coming once again. So I have booked my whole profit, and it became a consolidation phase only. I have not traded at all. Okay guys, how you gonna trade for next week, uh, um, how the crude oil and natural gas and in gold you have to trade. Okay guys, you can see here guys, what happened is that right now it has been made on here one of the major resistance area. Okay guys, remember this is the one of the major resistance area. It right now acting, but what we have to see it also, it is acting as a one of the major supporting areas also. Okay guys, what we have to do is, if it once again coming upside, it has to broke this, then only you can take your first target guys. After this is broken, you can go up till here second target. After that it once again taken support, your third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the target for a crude oil in upside momentum. If it has to came downside, it has to broken this. If it has been broken our first target and second target up till here only, because here the trend line is going on. So just a second, I will just a second guys, so I will just extend it. Okay, if this also broken, then you can have that it came downside and make like this something resistance, then you can expect your next target, and after that this will be the your next fourth target. Okay guys, so like this it will be happen that US dollar versus crude oil gonna work like this. Okay guys, we can see the next pair is that natural gas. Okay guys, in natural gas we have got a very huge profit also. You have seen also. Okay guys, right now what we have to do is that here you can see here some of the trend line is going on, so we do not consider like this. So what we have to do is that I will just remove it so you cannot get any confusion right now. So here this will act as a one of the major supporting area. If once again it will came somewhere here, consolidate, and after here somewhere trend line is going on, if this is broken, our first target will be up till here guys, second target, and our third target will be up till here only. Okay guys, I will just switch it. So our first target guys, okay guys, our second target guys, our third target guys, up till here only. If some bigger momentum will came, I will surely give you in a Telegram channel, and you can join my Telegram channel. It is on free for you guys. Go and join there too guys. In downside it will take resistance. Our first target will be here, second target will be up till here. Okay guys, these are the some of the natural gas analysis. So we gonna see the XEU means gold analysis. You can see exactly what happening is that exactly from here only the market is continuously taking a one of the resistance area. Right now it is in at a good place. Our first target will be up till here guys, our second target, our third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside momentum. If it will came downside, then you can expect your first target, this will be the second target, this will be the third target guys. These are the three target in downside, and these are the upside momentum target. Hope you like this video guys. You can go and check out our accuracy also. There are 90 to 95% accurate. You can check out our analysis of previous videos also. You can check out that what we have told you and how market has been behaved, and also check out our videos so you can get the some of the small points what I have discussed. At that those point only you became a very good trader guys. And one thing I will tell you, trader will not become within a 1 week, 1 month. It has to a process guys. You have to give a dedicated 1 to 2 years guys. Okay, you are thinking that today I have $10,000, so I will come and enter, and within 1 month I will make 5,000 profit. So 5,000 profit in dollars, it is not a joke guys. You have to give your dedication. And the thing is guys, I am making so much efforts and putting efforts to make these videos. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends and families too guys. I am so much hardworking about this video. Making a single video is very much time taking guys. Hope you can see this all the thing and what I am telling you guys. Hope you have any queries, please comment me down, so I will let you know at that point that you are facing any problem. So comment me down, I will surely reply you and make a dedicated videos on that. Or I will make you the thing is that whatever your queries is there, so I will comment you in down and give you the solution about your any problem guys. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.